They're buttons. It's an elevator.
Okay.
It's an elevator. So you just push, you would push door open, they would open right up, and you'd be fine.
She said, it's an elevator. It's an elevator. It's an elevator, people.
I want
It's an elevator.
I want to meet the people.
I'm sorry, I had to walk off for a moment.
I want to meet the people who are paying this woman money, because they are possibly the biggest morons that I've heard of this week. And I've heard of a lot of morons this week.
She saved someone from an emoji misunderstanding.
She cleared up an emoji misunderstanding. Well, no, there's that one emoji where he's kind of doing this. Does that mean like, hey, I'm on to you, or like, hey, you want to come over, or do you like nachos? So these are life-saving services this woman provides.
There's a box.
My.
It's about as tall as you.
We
It's
got in the wrong
closing.
business.
It's an elevator.